How to remove extra space from Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to remove the let's say not needed or unneeded space into your Squarespace website. So we're going to head over to squarespace.com, sign in for an account and visit up the account dashboard. Once you have did that, we're going to select the website that we want to do the process for. And we're going to click on website and head over pages. Once we have did that, we're going to select the page where we have the problem of the spacing. So let's scan this. I think that we have here a little bit of spacing here. Also here, this maybe. And I'm going to click on edit. This is so the needed page to have the unwanted spaces. Now I'm going to select the section where I want to put it. I'm going to not have this because it is going to be a pre-made section, but this one is going to be a setup section. So I can go ahead and click on the elements, or I can go ahead and type or click on G, or the letter or the keyword G. Not the keyword, but the key on the keyboard, G. So it is going to show you the grid. This is the spacing, let's say, base. So you can go ahead and increase or decrease the grid just like that. So we are going to put here some spacing here, or get a little bit of space like this. We're going to have it like that, and instead of the let's say here the unnecessary part of the text that are not needed, we can go ahead and replace them with other text, like duplicating here the same text and only changing the points right here like that. Or I have a better solution if you do not have a choice for adding a text, which is going to be shrinking a little bit the image. I'm going to click on edit of the image, design, click on fit, not fill. So we are going to make it a little bit smaller like that, like this, and we are going to gain the space. This is the space that we need. So I'm going to maybe not shrink it, but I'm going to have it a little bit like that. And this is it. This is better. So I'm going to make it smaller. And for these, I can go ahead and manage the images like that, make them just like this. And we're going to shrink this section. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.